What if I told you that you could grow your money without paying taxes on it? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's absolutely possible, and I'm about to show you how. In this video, we're going to uncover the top 8 tax-free ways to grow your money legally, so you can accelerate your wealth without worrying about tax deductions eating into your gains. Ready to learn how to keep more of your hard-earned money? Let's jump right in. 1. Roth IRA and Roth 401k, the gold standard. If you're looking for a tax-free way to grow your wealth over time, Roth IRAs and Roth 401k should be at the top of your list. These accounts are powerful because, while you contribute after-tax dollars, all future growth and qualified withdrawals in retirement are 100% tax-free. For Roth 401ks, employers can also contribute, and you still get that amazing tax-free growth. What's even better? You won't pay taxes when you withdraw the money during retirement. This can lead to substantial growth over time, and you'll get to keep every penny you earn. The key benefit of Roth accounts is the tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Imagine decades of growth and no tax bite when you start taking that money out. Not only does it allow you to build wealth tax-free, but it also gives you the peace of mind knowing your retirement funds won't be taxed in the future. If you're not already taking full advantage of a Roth IRA or Roth 401k, you're leaving money on the table. 2. Health Savings Account, HSA, the Triple Tax Advantage. Ever heard of the Triple Tax Advantage? The Health Savings Account, HSA, offers just that, and it's an incredible tool for anyone looking to grow their wealth with zero tax burden. With an HSA, your contributions are tax-deductible, your growth is tax-free, and any withdrawals for medical expenses are also tax-free. But here's where it gets even better. After age 65, you can use the funds for non-medical expenses without penalty, just like a traditional IRA, though they will be taxed like regular income. This makes the HSA not just a great tool for managing healthcare costs, but also a hidden gem for retirement savings. The tax advantages it provides are hard to beat, and the flexibility to use it for healthcare or retirement expenses gives you options for how to use your money. By contributing to an HSA consistently, you can build a powerful tax-free growth engine for your medical and retirement needs. It's an often overlooked account that could save you thousands in taxes over your lifetime. 3. Municipal Bonds, Muni Bonds, tax-free interest for savvy investors. Are you in a higher tax bracket? If so, municipal bonds, also known as Muni Bonds, can be a game changer for growing your wealth tax-free. The interest earned from these bonds is typically exempt from federal income tax and, in many cases, exempt from state and local taxes if you live in the municipality that issued the bond. These bonds are issued by cities, states, or other local government entities to fund public projects. The best part is that as a holder of Muni Bonds, you enjoy tax-free income, which is especially beneficial for high-income earners who are looking to minimize their taxable income. Muni Bonds may not offer the highest returns, but the tax-free nature of the income means that the net yield is often more competitive than taxable bonds, especially if you're in a higher tax bracket. Additionally, you're investing in public projects that benefit your community, so it's a win-win. If you're looking for safe tax-free investment options, Muni Bonds can be a great fit for your portfolio. 4. 529 Education Savings Plans, grow tax-deferred, withdraw tax-free. Looking to save for your child's education? The 529 Education Savings Plan allows you to grow your investments tax-deferred, and more importantly, withdrawals for qualified educational expenses are tax-free. A 529 plan is a state-sponsored savings plan designed to help families save for future education costs. You can use the funds for college tuition, fees, books, room, board, and even K-12 education expenses in some cases. And the best part? When you take money out for these expenses, there are no taxes on the gains. A new provision allows you to roll unused 529 funds into a Roth IRA, subject to limits, which is an amazing way to keep your money growing tax-free, even if you don't end up using it for education. 529 plans provide a way to build wealth for your family's future while sidestepping taxes. With compound growth and tax-free withdrawals, you're setting your kids up for success and keeping the IRS at bay. 5. Tax-free savings accounts. In the USA, there's a powerful wealth-building tool known as a Health Savings Account, HSA, and while it's typically used for medical expenses, it offers tax-free growth just like a TFSA. With an HSA, all the money you contribute, including interest, dividends, and capital gains, is 100% tax-free when used for qualified medical expenses. The advantage of an HSA is that, unlike other accounts, you get 3 tax benefits: You contribute tax-deductible dollars, the money grows tax-free, and withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free as well. You can contribute up to $3,650 annually for individual coverage and $7,300 for family coverage. After the age of 65, you can even use your HSA for non-medical expenses, though those withdrawals will be taxed like regular income, but without any penalty. If you're serious about growing your wealth while managing healthcare costs, the HSA can be one of the best tax-free growth accounts available. Whether you're saving for retirement, healthcare, or just looking for a way to build your savings, the HSA is an essential tool for anyone looking to maximize tax-free growth. 6. Primary residence exclusion, tax-free home gains. When was the last time your home increased in value? In the U.S., the primary residence exclusion can help you build wealth through real estate without the tax burden. If you've lived in your home for at least 2 of the last 5 years, you can exclude up to $250,000 of capital gains if you're single, or $500,000 if you're married, when selling your primary residence. This effectively makes the appreciation on your home a tax-free investment. This is one of the best-kept secrets for homeowners. As home prices rise over time, your home becomes a valuable asset, and you can take advantage of this exclusion to pocket the gains without paying a penny in taxes. For many people, their home is their biggest investment, and this exclusion allows you to profit from it without the tax drag that usually comes with selling assets. 7. Harvest the 0% capital gains bracket. Sell long-term assets for free. Did you know that you might be able to sell your long-term investments and pay 0% federal capital gains tax? It's true. If your taxable income falls below certain thresholds, $49, $450 for individuals, or $98,900 for married couples, you can take advantage of the 0% capital gains bracket. This means you can sell your stocks, real estate, or other long-term assets and keep all of the profits without paying any taxes. It's an incredible opportunity to reset your cost basis for free, effectively allowing you to reinvest those funds without worrying about capital gains tax eating into your profits. By strategically planning when and how you sell your investments, you can legally avoid taxes and make more money. This strategy works especially well for lower-income individuals or those in early retirement, so it's definitely worth exploring. 8. Step up in basis, estate planning magic. Estate planning isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to avoid paying unnecessary taxes on assets passed down to heirs. The step-up in basis rule allows you to transfer assets like stocks or real estate to your heirs at the current market value at the time of death, rather than the original purchase price. This means that if your stocks or real estate appreciated in value, your heirs won't have to pay capital gains tax on those gains. They receive a step-up in the asset's basis to the value it holds at the time of inheritance. This can significantly reduce the tax burden on your heirs, especially for large estates that would otherwise be subject to capital gains taxes. It's a legal way to protect your wealth for future generations, and the more you know about this strategy, the better you can plan for your family's financial future. There you have it, 8 tax-free ways to grow your money legally. These strategies can help you build wealth while legally minimizing your tax liabilities. Whether you're saving for retirement, paying for education, or simply growing your assets, these tools will allow you to keep more of your hard-earned money. If you found these strategies helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more actionable financial tips. Together, we can build wealth without the tax drag and start growing our money legally.